Hello everybody, I am the Chubby Gourmet, and today we are fortunate to have the traveling shaker, my man.
How are you, Richard?
How's it going, bro?
Very,
always
very
a
good.
pleasure, always a pleasure. You know, Peru and Chile used to be friends. They liked each other. However, today, there's still a bitter contention about who's the creator of the Pisco, which is an unaged grape brandy, and the Pisco Sour, which is obviously made from Pisco. So today we're going to address that, and I brought the expert mixologist, Roberto, the traveling shaker, to help us with that. And I'd like to know what you guys like to shake, so put that in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And on that note,
All right, so today what we brought is two types of Pisco. They're both from Peru, and it's a Pisco I really like. It's called Italia. So you have different kinds of Pisco in both areas. You have Quebranta, Acholado, and these are the types of process and grapes that they use. For example, this one, Italian grapes, they give a more aromatic and like more floral notes to the cocktail.
Okay.
Right? So what we're gonna do today is, the classic Pisco Sour. All right? So we have eggs, we have lime, we have bitters, and of course, our Pisco. All right? So we're gonna do the Pisco Sour, all right?
let's do it.
So we're gonna start here with a little bit of fresh lime. And here we need 3/4. We have these little cute tools here. And we're gonna add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Always try to keep it fresh.
Always, yes, agreed.
And we're gonna put 3/4 of that. And we're gonna add 3/4 of simple syrup. This is just water and sugar.
Water and white
diluted.
sugar, right?
Yes, sir. That goes in. And now we're gonna add Pisco. Okay, for this one I'm gonna use Cepas del Oro. It's one of my favorite Piscos. And we're gonna do it very, very Peruvian. These guys put 4 ounces.
4 ounces. Now, what's the difference with a Chilean Pisco Sour?
So it's not about the country, it's about these guys make really strong drinks where they come from.
In Chile?
Yeah, normally a Pisco Sour gets 2 ounces, but we're doing something very traditional, so we're gonna make them like they make it, very strong. And now this is
So this is more of a Chilean recipe for a Pisco Sour.
Exactly.
All right.
So we're gonna do egg yolk. Okay, so the original Pisco have egg yolk, and we're gonna do is an incision here.
The joke. The yolk's on you.
And we're gonna break it on the top, and that's gonna give you an air pocket, and it's just gonna come out
All right,
just the
so
white.
there's the whites. Good trick. I like that.
Just the white, and the yolk is gonna stay inside.
Nice trick. Look at
Yes.
that. I'm learning already.
So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna dry shake this first without ice, okay? Really strong because you know you're working with egg white, so what you want is a good foam, and this is what the egg white does, okay? Now we have
Ooh,
this
nice and foamy. Look at that.
beautiful foam. You see?
Beautiful.
And now we're gonna add rice. We're gonna do a lot of ice on this, and this is gonna give you a good, very nice froth. And now, my friend, I feel that it's your turn. There you go.
Let me try the one arm.
Try to do it with both hands. There you go.
Why does this seem so familiar to me?
Now switch.
Wait, I'm not done yet. Okay.
Let's put some string in it because normally in a bar you have to do this for more than 5 minutes because you're working with egg white. So I'm gonna do a little bit more of strong shake. It's a lot of work. And
You're faster than I am.
now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our glass and we're gonna double strain this. Right here. Look at this. You see the texture is
at that,
very
yes.
silky.
Wow.
All the way to the top. And we're gonna decorate it with bitters. In this case, I have spice bitters with chocolate. I really like this one. And we're just gonna put on top. And I'm gonna add some lime peel.
Some zest of a lime.
And that will give it a very cute smell.
Look how pretty that is.
And there you go, your Pisco Sour.
And now I am ready to sample this beautiful Peruvian Pisco Sour. If we use Chilean Pisco, it would be the Chilean. That's really the only difference between the two. So here we go. Strong.
Yes?
Tasty though.
Yes. Normally, they use
He's drowning.
4 ounces of Pisco. Because, well, that's their national drink there. So they tend to do the drinks a little bit more stronger. So yeah, that's what we wanted to do here, is do like an original version. So we use double portion.
And stay tuned because we will do another episode using the Chilean Pisco upcoming. Well, there you have it. If you like what you saw today, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and spank that notification bell. And if there's something that you prefer, you want me to try another drink, another food, you want me to prepare something, let me know in the comments below. And let me know too what your favorite Pisco Sour is, how you make it, your little variations of it. I'd love to hear from you about that. And Roberto, my brother, thank you for
again.
coming here, man.
Thank you for
Always
inviting
a
me.
pleasure. So until next time,
Hasta lasagna.